Hello guys, today I am drawing a Pikachu very easily. Let's go start the video. At first draw two circle are the same size. Dear guys, then draw another small circle into the circle. Hopefully dear friend, everyone subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Who are already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. Now fill up the color.
Hello guys, I request you please hype this video dear friend and send a like.
Dear guys, now draw its nose. One dot, then draw U shape and another U shape as like a number 3. Now draw a curved line. This is forehead. Now draw as like number 3. Dear guys, left side also draw a inverse 3. Dear guys, now draw its body S shape. Right side also S shape. That's inverse S. Dear friend, if you are new viewers in our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. You can also comment this video with your name first letter. If you comment your name, I will draw a picture with your name first letter. Dear guys, you can also send me super chat or super sticker. If you send me super sticker, I will draw a picture with your name at first. If you are watching this video from Facebook page, please follow the Facebook page and you can send me a star. Now draw oval shape as like letter C. Left one is also same size and same process as like oval, but look it's letter C. Then draw two line. Right side also draw two line. It's toe. Now dear friend, fill up the color. Connect the line with curved line. Left side and right side also same process. And connect the line with curved line. Dear guys, now draw its cheek half circle. It's look like letter D. Now draw its hair. It's look like letter V shape, but it is very tall. Now draw letter Y shape. It's inverse Y. Guys, now draw its tail very easily. Draw a line, then draw a straight line. Draw as like letter W. Draw W shape. Now draw a straight line and draw inverse V. Our drawing is complete. Now we color it. Dear guys, now draw black color to hair. Now using its cheek with red color. Dear friend, we should fill up the color very carefully. Guys, now I am using yellow color. We should borderline very carefully and step by step complete the Pikachu coloring. Again, I request to you dear friend, if you are new viewers, please do subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Guys, if you are new viewers from Facebook page, please follow the Facebook page and keep a good comment in this video. I will draw a picture with your name first letter and you can send me super chat, super sticker or super star. I will draw a picture with your name first letter. So dear friend, give me a super chat. Dear friend, if you love this Pikachu, please take a good comment. And you can also show me your art picture in the comment section. Dear friend, my YouTube audience, I also request to you everyone hype this video. Your hype is most important this video. Please give me hype. Oh, our Pikachu is mostly part of complete. So everyone enjoy this video. Now I am draw dark yellow color. So everyone watching this video and enjoy this video.
Dear old friends, family, it's time to say goodbye. Let's pray together.